Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I would like to talk about watercolor materials. Many people think watercolor painting is simple because it needs only a few supplies. This is true, but choosing the right materials can make a big difference in our painting experience. The first and most important material is watercolor paper. Good paper is the foundation of every successful watercolor painting. Watercolor use a lot of water, so normal drawing paper is not suitable because it bend and tear easily. Watercolor paper is thicker and stronger. It can hold water and many layers of paint. There are three common types of paper: surface, hot press, cold press, and rough paper. Hot press paper is smooth and good for fine detail. Cold press paper has a light texture and is the most popular choice because it works well for many styles. Rough paper has a stronger texture and is great for expressive landscape. The weight of the paper is also important. Heavy paper stay flatter and can handle more water. The second material is watercolor paint. Watercolor paints are made from pigment and binder called gum arabic. They are available in tubes and pans. Tube colors are soft and easy to mix in large amount, while pen colors are dry and easy to carry for outdoor painting. There are many colors available, but beginners do not need to buy every color. A simple palette with a few warm and cool primary colors is enough to create many beautiful mixtures. The next important material is brushes. Watercolor brushes come in different shapes and size. Round brushes are the most common because they can create both thin and thick lines. Flat brushes are useful for large wash and straight edges. Mop brushes hold a lot of water and are perfect for painting skies and background. Good brush should hold water well and return to their original shape after each stroke. Another essential material is a palette. A palette is used to mix color. White palette are often preferred because they help artists see the true color mixture clearly. Some palettes have many wells for different colors and large space for mixing. Water containers are also important. Many artists use two containers, one for cleaning dirty brushes and another for fresh water. Clean water help keep colors bright and fresh. There are few other useful materials that make painting easier. A pencil is helpful for light sketches before painting. An eraser remove unwanted lines. Masking tape can hold the paper flat and create clean borders. Paper towel or a cloth can absorb extra water and lift color from the painting. Finally, remember that expensive materials do not automatically create great art. The most important things are practice, observation, and patience. Start with simple and good quality materials, learn how they work, and enjoy the process. As your skills grow, you can explore different papers, brush, and colors to find what suits your style. Watercolor is a beautiful and exciting medium because it teaches to work with water, light, and creativity. With the right materials and regular practice, anyone can enjoy the magic of watercolor painting. Thank you so much and happy painting.